Welcome everyone to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Wednesday, the 29th of November, 2023. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Let's go ahead and dive right in. We've got a couple of great looking candidates today. So the very first thing I want to look at is the S&P 500. So after this amazing run that we've been talking about for the last couple of weeks to the upside, we're kind of playing around. We're just hanging out near this Fibonacci level, which is the negative 272, which stands for hesitation, right? And we're hesitating there. We did get a pullback and a bounce off it today. Now, ideal setup that way. I'd like a little bit of a pullback tomorrow and a bounce, and we'll be looking at some longs for sure. Right, so we got to keep our eye on it, but overall, nice and bullish pattern. So the very first stock on our list, not one that I trade very often, is Agilent. Right, so let's go ahead and zoom in on that one a little bit because that is, there we go. That one was a little bit further back. So we had an overall nice bearish pattern on Agilent right here. We went a long way. Finally fell down. We got a nice bounce and a breakout. Gap up on their earnings, which was fantastic. So what do we look for? We're always looking at a switchback trade here. Switchback gives us an opportunity to trade in either direction, regardless of what it does. So here we are. We fell down below that 125.22. If we continue to push down, I'd like a little bit of a retest tomorrow and a fail. 122.5 is our support. So probably 123, 123.5 will be my target. If it breaks to the upside, retest the 125.22 from the top now and bounces, I'm looking at 128 as resistance, 127 and a quarter, 127, somewhere around there is going to be my target. It's not a big mover. It's an in and out, and we're done. Next, Domino's, right? Do you love their pizza? If I travel, it's good pizza because you know what you're getting there compared to what some other places might be. But other than that, it's okay. But is it a good company? $387 stock. I do like that. So we're sitting right at that 387. We still have about 3 or 4 minutes left, by the way, till the market closes. But we're sitting right at that 387. Fail. And we're looking at about that 378 level, which is our 8 moving average, is support. So 379, 379.5 is going to be our target. If we break to the upside, retest and bounce, we're looking at 400 is resistance. So right about 398.5, 399, somewhere in there is going to be our target. So I like this one as far as the ability to move. There's a lot of room to move. And then we've got ELF. What a fitting stock for this time of year, right? ELF, right around the holiday season. We had a nice breakout today above that 117 level. Retest and bounce, we're looking at 125 as resistance, so 124.81. So we're looking at 124, 123.5, somewhere in there for our target. To the downside, I ain't that excited about it, I got to tell you. Overall bullish pattern, 21, the green moving average, getting ready to cross up through the 55. Yeah, I'm kind of liking this one for bullish only. Can you take a move to the downside? You could, but we're looking at 114.5 for our exit point on the downside. By the time you get in at 116, you ain't got a whole lot of room there. So if you are taking a bearish trade on this one, just be cautious, all right? There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you at our next one. Bye for now.